this. To this. What up, y'all? Attempting to do this video. We are at 5am Creative Studios. I'm in my living room right now. Just want to paint the picture for you. Let me just jump right into the video. Fuck all that. I don't know how to play a piano. I don't know how to play a keyboard. I don't know how to play any instrument except for like 3 strings on a ukulele. That's about it. So I can make bass lines using nothing but my voice. You know, if you ever just get the urge to like hum some bass lines, but you just want to like take that in your head and put it down, that's what I'm gonna show you right now. So here is something I recorded, a bass line. A little like father bass line. All right. So I'm gonna double click that. We have this option over here in Logic called Flex. What we're gonna be using is Flex Pitch. So this is Logic's way of doing like auto tunes. But for our case, we're gonna use it as a way to kind of take out the notes and transform over into MIDI. So I'm gonna right click or double click on a Mac. I mean, if you have Logic, you have a Mac, so fuck am I talking about? Right click to do perfect pitch. I'm gonna snap them all to a specific key. And then what you'll do over here is that you'll go to Edit, Create MIDI Track from Flex Pitch Data. And you see, it just created a MIDI track. So now let's mute this and play this. So it already gave us an instrument too, a software instrument. The instrument it automatically is going to choose is the default software instrument if you just go to plus or anything else. And it's a classic electric piano. So now typically when you do this method, it always has the MIDI notes at a very low velocity. So I would Command A, all these notes, and just turn the volume up or the velocity. So you see it doesn't sound too clean, nor does it even sound like a bass yet, but we're gonna clean that up and I'm gonna show you how. Working on the piano is kind of like the best way to find notes in my opinion. I don't know why I switched off. All right. So what we're gonna do first instead is actually like fix these notes so it makes that same kind of tune that I was going for, and then we can find an instrument. So let's put both on at the same time. All right, should be a little lower. Nope. I'm actually gonna delete that and pull this back because that's the right note. Ooh, I thought I heard something going crazy up there. Just zoom out, make sure we got everything in range. Okay, everything's in range. Get that quantized. So I could just like, you know, grab all these and just copy paste it for 3 straight. But I like the naturalness in which I played it. I don't want it to sound, this is my way of kind of like humanizing in a sense, right? I'm basing it off of my actual placement on my voice. I'm not going to just copy the first cadence and do it over and over. So I'm very meticulous with this. Just want to get that same natural raw sound. But these should be like more stabby. So I'm gonna shorten all these. 1, 1, 1-ish. With 2 in between, 1-ish with 2 in between. That's how I like to count my separations. Told you I don't have too much music theory background or anything, but For something so tedious like this, I will copy and paste. I'm not about to do this all the way over. I'm gonna make sure this first half sounds right, then paste it over here into the 8. That kind of didn't sound bad. That don't sound too bad. Say that in context. And meanwhile, I'm gonna look for a new instrument too. That sounds too like corny. Like I want that effect, but maybe if I'm, ooh, this is the complicated one. I mean, I know how to use it, but it would take me like 30-minute video to do this shit. This one ain't that bad, but I want more like less sawtoothy. Actually, this could be good. Just add some distortion on it. Oh yeah, I got a fuck ton of plugins too. I want to make a video on like the top 5 plugins I use. I'm gonna get to it eventually. Valhalla's my favorite, man. But anyways, I'm here to add some distortion. So shit, this could fuck around and be 2 videos. All right. Devastator. I'll give y'all a little quick little something. I want something like wet as fuck. Something super wet, like wet. This might not be the plugin, man. Ooh, this got that punch to it. I still want to wet it up some. I'm trying to figure this out. Use Crush. Later I'll download it. Bro, this ain't it. I'm trying to get like that wet ass distortion. Maybe I'll add a little compression on this too. Just like really clean it up. This black studio effect, really good for bass. Alright, caps at -2, but now watch this. All I did was just dump it up a little bit. I'm gonna add my bass exciter. And there we go. I'm fucking with that. So that's kind of the bass I wanted to go for. Right? It went from this to this. So yeah, man. That's how you use your voice to make a bass line. Easy, real quick tip. 5M Creative Studios. You here with DraNard. Thank you.